What information should I have ready before calling for HVAC service? Have the system type, the problem, recent symptoms, equipment details, and your availability ready so the technician can help faster. Start by identifying whether you have central air conditioning, a furnace, a heat pump, a boiler, or another system. Tell the service company whether the problem affects heating, cooling, airflow, unusual sounds, smells, water leaks, or the thermostat. Explain when the issue began, whether it happens all the time, and what was happening when you first noticed it. Have the brand, model number, and approximate age ready, usually found on a sticker or metal plate on the indoor or outdoor unit. Mention any recent repairs, filter changes, power outages, or remodeling work, because these details can point to the cause. Write down what you already tried, such as changing the thermostat batteries or checking the circuit breaker, and say exactly what happened afterward. A useful detail many people miss is whether some rooms are comfortable while others are too hot or cold, since that can suggest ductwork or airflow trouble instead of a failed main unit. Also provide the property address, the best phone number, whether someone will be home, and any access instructions, while keeping pets safely away from the equipment. A common mistake is saying only that the system is not working, so describe the symptoms and timing instead. Another mistake is guessing the model or repair history, so take clear photos of the equipment labels if possible. Do not remove electrical panels or handle refrigerant, because that can cause injury and may damage the system. Leave those checks to a qualified technician. If the unit smells like burning, produces smoke, or repeatedly trips a breaker, turn it off safely and mention the warning signs when you call. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors message you with their estimates.